I don't know. We'll have to see. Welcome back, y'all. It is Tuesday, right? Yes, Tuesday evening. It's just a little bit after 4 o'clock. We're coming out here to get the eggs and let Roosty and the girls out, let the little chicks in here to play. Well, I say play, but you know, they just get in here and run all around. Check out this tree. It's really growing over the pen here. It's like we're under the umbrella tree, Manny. Yeah. Say, come out, everybody.
Come out, everybody. Now let's get the little chickies out.
Yeah, you can get the little ones out. The little chicks have moved into the pen with the big chickens, but they stay in their little coop until the big ones are out because they're still not friendly yet. No egg from Miss Turkey today. She takes a couple of weeks off, then she'll start laying again. Much excitement. Oh no, we lost one. We lost a black one. We don't have to get them out anymore. They come out on their own when it's time. Woo, I almost dropped the eggs. I think that's a ball.
It's not.
It's a ball. You were hoping for jelly beans. Sounds like there's money in that one.
Yeah, let's open it.
Oh, there is money. And jelly beans.
Yeah.
You hit the jackpot.
Yeah, I hit the jackpot. There's money.
Oh, you don't want the money, you just want the jelly beans, huh?
Yeah. Jonah's got his kite.
Yeah, Jonah's got his kite out.
Yeah.
Woo, you better watch out for those trees. Sissy's sweeping off the cement pad over there so they can color on it with their sidewalk chalk.
Let go.
Woo!
Now let go. Well, you gotta run really fast.
We are back inside. I'm gonna go ahead and start supper. So tonight, I'm just making a spaghetti bake. Really easy because it's already kind of late. I might add some cottage cheese in here and kind of make it like a lasagna style spaghetti bake. We'll see. I'm just gonna start cooking here and we'll see where this goes. So yeah, it's been a very busy 2 days. Like it feels like it's already Thursday, but it's only Tuesday still. So yesterday morning, I had a few errands that I had to run, and then we had to go back out that afternoon because Tyler had his orthodontist appointment, and I went with him because I was for sure thinking that this was going to be the appointment when they would schedule when for him to come and get his braces taken off, and I wanted to make that appointment. But no, they weren't ready to take them off yet. They did put another hook on the, I think they put it on the inside of his top teeth, and he has to wear these bands that are making his bite even. All of his teeth, the top and bottom, are straight now, and the underbite is gone, but his bite isn't straight. Like the top teeth are over this way just a little bit, I think, to the left. So he has to wear these bands now. He was so hoping to have his braces off before summer break. That's not going to happen now because his next appointment is already after school is finished. So, but maybe he'll get them off before summer is over. So yeah, we went to his orthodontist appointment, got back home, and what did we do yesterday evening?
That don't happen very often in life. You come in and have a bird in your truck. Come on out of there. Is he still in here? Yeah, he's underneath my seat there. Y'all see him? Truck driver said one night he was going down 129. There he went. Had his windows down. Big old owl flew in his truck and was back there in the sleeper back in the back part of the truck. Now, he just about panicked on that situation. David, you back that thing like you know what you're doing.
getting the strawberry crisp ready for breakfast tomorrow. I thought about just going ahead and preparing it tonight and putting it in the refrigerator, but it takes about 25 to 30 minutes to bake, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and bake it tonight. That way in the morning I can just turn the oven on and stick it in there to warm up while I make some eggs. Oh, I need to melt some butter. A couple of tablespoons. What did it say? Yeah. We got this strawberry crisp mix from the farmer's market the other day, and that's where these strawberries came from too. I almost was gonna make a strawberry cobbler or a strawberry pudding. I think one of y'all mentioned something to me about some kind of pudding or cobbler. I'll have to go back and try to find that comment, because I was gonna make whatever it was y'all were talking about. I can't remember what it was now. I'll go back and find it. Jake made these cookies. It's some of those pecan delight ones, the Nestle Toll House. He loves those things. Okay, I got the butter melted. Before we make the topping though, we're gonna sprinkle some sugar over the strawberries. And here, we're gonna mix the topping. So we're just gonna take, let's see, we need about 3/4 of a cup of the crisp mix. So this has like cinnamon and oats in it, some flour. Now we're gonna mix in that melted butter. Alright, now we just sprinkle this all over the top. It's going in the oven. So yeah, I made the strawberry crisp last night, and guess what? I overslept. So we didn't even get to eat the strawberry crisp yet. We can have it for dessert tonight with some ice cream, or I might just wait and reheat it in the morning and we'll have it with breakfast tomorrow morning. And it seems like there's something else. What else? Oh yeah, and then I went to Aldi today to get groceries, and we didn't finish with schoolwork today until just a little bit after 4. Normally Cece and Jonah are finished usually by 2 o'clock every day, if not 2 o'clock by 2:30. And we only have, I think, about 5 weeks left until summer vacation. Still trying to decide, do I want to add, if I have shredded mozzarella cheese, we'll add the cottage cheese and some mozzarella. If I don't, we'll just go normal spaghetti bake and mix the noodles with the meat and the sauce, and then just put some cheese on. Well, I'm gonna have to have cheese anyway. Hope I have shredded mozzarella cheese, or we'll just be having normal spaghetti. Oh, I'm coming. What was I doing? I went and helped Manly with something. Oh yeah, looking for cheese. I'll be back. All right, I have enough to put mozzarella cheese on top, so we'll just go normal spaghetti bake. No fanciness tonight. This ground beef is almost done.
It smells good.
Yeah, so nice. Oh, I need to put the garlic bread in the oven too. See if I have some foil, because I will. Nope, I don't. I was gonna put some foil down on this pan for the garlic bread. You like this one?
Mm-hmm. It's my book.
Yeah, what's it called?
dinosaur book.
How do dinosaurs say goodnight?
Yeah.
Look, he's got a teddy bear. How does a dinosaur say goodnight when Papa comes in to turn off the light? Does a dinosaur slam his tail and pout? Does he throw his teddy bear all about? Does a dinosaur roar?
Yeah, like this.
Does he fall on top of his covers and cry? No, dinosaurs don't. They don't even try. They give a big kiss.
Dinosaurs don't get kiss. Now let's do this side.
They give a big hug, then give one kiss more. Good night, little dinosaur.
What's that pterodactyl holding?
Teddy bear.
Yeah.
This one's blowing bubbles.
Yeah.
Good night.